नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today session we are going about discuss the project life circle stage. In this second subject our topic project life circle stage. So let's start the topic. Project life circle stage. What is the project life circle stage is 4 steps frameworks designed to help project managers and guide their project successful from start to finish. The purpose of the project life circle is to create an easy to follow framework to guide projects. A project life circle is the sequence of phases that a project goes through from its initial to its closure. The number and sequence of the circle are determined by the management and various other factors like needs of the organization involved in the project. The nature of project and its hour of application, the phase have a definite and start, end and control point and are the contained by the time. Areas applications, the phase have a defined start, end and control point are the contained by the time. The project life circle can be defined and modified as per the needs and aspects of the organization, and even though every project has a defined start and end, the particular objectives and delivers and abilities vary widely. The life circle provides the basic foundation of the actions that has to be performed in the project, irrespective of the specific work involved. And project life circle can range from predictive or planned driver and approaches to adaptive or changes and driver approaches. In a predictive and life circles, the specific are defined at the start of the project, and any alterations to scope are carefully addressed. In an adaptive and life circle, the product is developed over multiple and interaction and detailed scope is defined for irritations only as the irritations and beings. Now, let's discuss characteristics of the project life circle. At through projects are unique and highly Their stand framework and consists of same generic and life circle stage and consisting of following parts and phases. First one is initial phases, starting of the project, and second phase the planning phase, organizing and preparing. Third one is the execution phase and carrying out the project. And fourth one is the termination phase in closing the project. Now we are explain the first one is initial phase. The initial phase aims to define and authorize the project. The project manages and takes the given information and creates a project check characters, and the project and characters and authorize the project and documents and the primary requirements for the project, and it includes informations such as first project's purpose and visions and mission, and second one is measurable objectives and success criteria. Third, enumerate project depressions and conditions and risk. Name an authority of the project and concentrate stakeholders. Now, next. Second one is the planning phase. The purpose of this phase is to lay down a deleted stationery of how the project has to be performed and how to make it a success. Project planning consists of two parts: strategic planning, implementation planning. First one is strategic planning, and strategic planning, the overall approach to the project is the developed. And second one is implementation planning. Implementation planning, the ways to apply those decisions are sought. Now, third one is the execution phase. In the phase, the decision and activities defined during the planning phase and implemented during this phase, the project management has to supervise the project and prevent and any errors for taking place. This process also termed are monitoring and controlling. After satisfactions from the customer and stockholders ends, he takes the process to the next steps. Now, fourth steps, the termination phase. This is the last phase of any project, and it marks the official closure of the project. This general life cycle structure is used, and when dealing with upper management or other peoples less familiar with the project. Some people might confuse it with the project and management process groups, but the latter and contain activities specific to the project. The project life cycle, on the other hand, is independent of the life cycle of the particular outcomes of the project. However, it is beneficial to take the current life cycle phase of the product into account, and it can provide a common frame of reference from comparing different projects. Now, the generic life cycle structures commonly and the following characteristics. First one is, at the first start, cost and staffing levels are low and reach a peak when the work is in progress, and it again starts to drop and rapidly as the project brings to halt. Second, the typically cost and staffing curve and does not apply to all projects, and considerable expenses are required to secure initial resources yearly in its life cycle. Risk and uncertainty are at their peak at the beginning of the project, and these factors drop over the life cycle of the project as decisions are reached and deliverables are accepted. The ability to affect the final and products of the project and without impacting the cost and directly and highest at the start of the project, and and decreases as the project advances towards and completions. It is clear for the figure and that the cost of making new changes and reflecting and errors and increasing as the project and approach completions. And thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.